Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are best and fine. Please complete your attendance class within the 2 minutes. Before the class only you complete your attendance. Complete your attendance within 1 minute. Yeah, students, today is a very interesting topic, that is only about the properties of light. We are considered here about the properties of light and of the materials and as well as the things. Okay, already yesterday we have completed somewhat part on that one, that is only transparency, non-transparency or opaque, and as well as the partial transparent media also, otherwise it is also called transient media also. Okay, clear or not all of you? What the properties we have considered yesterday? Transparency. Yes, and another one is opaque. Okay, yes, one more thing is also there, that is called transparent. Okay, depending on the light, our materials are classified into how many formats now? How many now? There is a three. One is the transparent material, another one is called opaque material, another one is called transient material. I hope you understood yesterday. There is a which one is called transparent, which one is called opaque, which one is called transient. Okay, yes, good afternoon to everyone. And now we are in a which lesson? Now we are in a materials and things. Okay, now which lesson now we are? Now materials and as well as the things. Materials and as well as the things. Okay, now we already discussed how the materials are made and how we are used objects. We already discussed there is the different objects are made by the different materials sometimes. Otherwise, one material only used for the made for the different objects. Okay, clear or not all of you? Means what? Different things are made by the one material only. Otherwise, one material is only used for the making the different things. Okay, already we completed that concept. Now there is a what? We are going with the what? Properties of light. Material properties of light. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, when you take a one light, that is may sometimes appear, sometimes may not appear, sometimes maybe partially appear. Okay, clear or not all of you? How it is? Once we have to check here now. There is a what we are taken here. Now I am taken. This is one of the torch light I am taken here. Okay, clear or not all of you? One of the torch light. Now directly there is a torch light is appear to you or not? It is appear to you. Clear or not all the students? It is appear to you. Okay, the light is appear to you from the where? From here. Okay, now from this glass. Clear or not all the students? This light is appear through this glass now. Okay, it is appear or not? It is appear through the glass also. It is appear only. Okay now. But I am remove this glass. I am taken here. There is a this type of a one of the which one? One of the cardboard. Now it is appear. It is appear now. Not appear na. It is not appear now. This light is not appear. Okay, when we observe it is through the yes one of the thick sheet, thick paper sheet. Okay, when you take here, there is a what? This light is also not appear. Our light is also not appear through the what actually? Yes, this white paper also. Clear or not all of you? When you take on this white paper somewhat oil, I am taken. This is the oil. Okay, now this oil is I am taken on this white paper. Okay, I am taken here. Yes, I am taken here. There is a white paper. On this white paper, I am taken what actually? I am taken there is a what oil. Okay, now on this white paper, some place is a totally is covered by somewhat oil. Okay, clear? Now there is a lot here. The light is not appeared that much, but when you take here, the light is appeared totally or not. When you are taking here, that much of not appeared for us. Okay, here it is appeared. Okay, yes, and fully appeared like this. It is appeared not. When you take a paper, somewhat dim it will be get for us. When here we take somewhat greater intensity of light may get where we are consider oil here. Okay, now in this paper, in this particular place, I am totally it is covered with oil. Okay, now but when I am taken, yes, this particular place it is not appear, but when we are taken here, it is appear. When we take here it not appear, but here it is appear. At this particular place, light, this paper is worked as a transparent. Sorry, not it is a works as a opaque, it is a works as a now partial transparent. That is only called transient media. That is a called what now? Transient media. Okay, in this way there is a what light is. Yeah, what is your doubt? Here there is a what we are considering different things we are considered. There is this is a light product. It is a product produce the light. Actually, it is a source of light itself. It is only produces the light. That's why it is called luminous sources. And as well as ourselves, we are not called luminous. We are non-luminous bodies. Okay, now yes, we are illuminated by the sunlight. That's when it is appear. But there is not required for this. This is a what itself. It is only illuminated. And as well as the next one is what we are consider, there is a different type of a substances are there. When you take the light is taken from this particular sheet, it is not appear now, not appear now. Okay, it is appear that, but it is appear now. There is a what is there? Air is there. Air is a which type of media? Transparent media. Now it is not appear. Why? Because it is not allows the light through it. It is not allows the light through it. This type of medias are called what? It is this type of medias are called opaque medias. This type of medias are called opaque medias. Okay, this type of medias are called transparent media. What is there here? There is a what? Somewhat I am taken glass here. It is a what? Glass. Okay now. Yes, it is appear or not? It is appear. Okay now. Yes, and when I am taken my hand here. It is not appear. Why? Because my hand not allow this light through it. Through it is not allowed. That's why only it is a called opaque media. It is a called transparent media. Suppose you take a plastic glass like this. Okay now, plastic glass like this. It is appear or not? I am taken a glass here. It is appear or not? Light is appear or not? Appear through it. That's why it is a called transparent media only. Okay, in the place of this, I am taken there is a what? I am taken this one. Okay, now I am taken this one. It is appear, not that much at all. It not appear. Clear or not, all of you? That much of it not appear. That's why it is a called partial transparent media. Yes, and here when you take a like this, it is appear totally. Light is appear, not appear here. Okay, now this not clearly appear. Now this much of clear appearance is there. Not there. That's why it is a called partial transparent media or transient media. Yes. Okay. Yes. Now what we conclude from this? What we conclude from this? Yeah. We conclude now. There is a what? Our materials. Some materials allows the light through it. Okay. Now the materials allows the light through it. Some materials are not allow the light through it. Some materials are partially allow the light through it. Which are allow the through it? That is called transparent media. Yes, like a plastic, glass, air, water, neat water. Okay, pure water. These are all what? Transparent media. And opaque is nothing but what? Which is not allow the light through it. It is a called what? It is a called which is not allow the light through it. It is a called what? It is a called opaque or non-transparent media. Another name of it is non-transparent media. The next which one is called transient media? On the paper, when you take oil, somewhat oil is taken on the paper, there is a whatever the behind the things are there that is may appear to you. Like this, I am taking oil on this particular paper, yes, in this particular place. Okay, when I am taken here, my hand is not appear now for you. But when I am taken here, somewhat my hand is appear. Once check it out. Clear or not, all the students? Here my hand is appear, but it is appear here, not appear. My hand is here now. Actually, when I am taken here, it is not appear. But when I am taken here, somewhat it is a partially, yes, not fully appeared like this. Like this it is not appear, but it is appeared somewhat. Okay, clear or not, all of you? But when I am taken here, where not pasted oil at that particular place, it is not appear. Okay, this place is totally called. This place is called opaque media. This place is called. This place, oil covered place, is called. Yes, transient media. Okay, now there is a total. It is about transparent. Okay, paper is a contain. Yes, actually opaque nature. But here, where the oil is covered, that is what contain transient nature. Understood not, all of you? In this way, we conclude about our transparent, opaque, and as well as the transient media. Okay, now, yeah, some particular students are asking about the densities. Yes, the density is coming later now, but the density is nothing but number of molecules present per a area. Already I am given this information. number of particles present in a area is only called density. Okay, once check it out. There is a what when you take this chalk piece box. Okay, when you take this chalk piece box, there is a what in this chalk piece box. There is a high densities are there. May how many number of chalk piece particles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now there is somewhat 50. Okay, now 50, 60, 78, 78, 86, 87. 87 number of chalk piece boxes, chalk pieces are there in this chalk piece box. Okay, now, and suppose you take this chalk piece box. Once check it out, this chalk piece box, there is only this much of number is there. It is a contain less density. It is a called high density. It is a called high density. Compare with this, there is a what? There is same chalk piece boxes only. In this chalk piece boxes, less number is there. In this chalk piece box, there is a high number of chalk piece boxes are there. Okay, now there is a that is only. It's a called high density. It is a called low density. What you understood from this? Density is nothing but what? Number of molecules. Density is nothing but number of particles. Number of particles per volume or area. Okay, that is only called density now. We'll get later about the density. We'll discuss later. Okay, now. Yes, now you understood or not about the transparent, opaque and the transient? I hope you are understood. Once again I repeat it, then I conclude about this. Transparent media is nothing but what, Nana? Which allows the light through it. It is called a transparent media. Yes, which allows the light through it. It is called a transparent media. Which not allows the light through it. It is called opaque media. Okay, clear or not, all of you students? Yes. Transparency is nothing but which allows the light through it. It is called transparent media. The property which is exhibited by the body, it is called transparency. Okay. Yes. Opaque is nothing but what, Nana? Opaque is nothing but which not allow the light through it. Which not allow the light through it. It is called opaque. Yes. And transient is nothing but which allow the light partially through it. Which allows the light partially through it. It is called transient media. Whatever the type of oil you take, it is not a problem now. Whatever the type of oil you take, it is not a problem. Once take it out, it is called what actually? Yes, this type of media is called transient media. It is called what? Transient nature. Okay, suppose when you take light, this much of clarity is there. Yes, without this bottle, this much of clarity is there. When it is coming in between you and this torch, there is a what? One of the bottle with water, it is a cave. There is a total light is coming like this. Total light is appear to like this. No, when there is a bottle is coming at middle, it is somewhat not appear for us. This type of this bottle with the water, it is called what? Transient nature. Yes, it is allows partially. Light is allows partially, not like totally. It is now totally is getting for you. But when you take here, there is a partial light is only get for you. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Not total light is getting for you. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Not total light. Total light means like this it is, not like this it is. Somewhat less light will be get for you. Clear? Now this is only called what? Transient nature. It is called transparent nature. Yes, the transparent is nothing but like this it is a transparent. Okay, it is a transparent only. And as well as it is also transparent only. It is also transparent only. Yes, it passes through the light, total light you get for it. Yes, and there is no loss of light here. That type of the things are called transparent. And suppose somewhat not allows. Suppose duster, when you take a duster, there is it is not appear to you now. That's why it is called, yes, opaque. It is called transparent. I hope you understood. Yes, this is a transparent. This is what actually. Yes, I am taken a glass here like this glass. Like this glass, it is a transparent, it is a opaque, it is a partial transparent, it is a partial transparent. Clear? Yes, there is a three types of media. Suppose you take, I like these glasses, like this glass, one shake it out, there is no change now, the light is appeared like that only. Okay, now it is a glass I am taken, this is our transparent media. Okay, and suppose I am taken a plastic like this, plastic, it is a what? Plastic it is, partially, the light is appear partial or not, like this appear totally, no, partial appearance is there, that's why this plastic is a called partial transparent media, that is only transient media. In this way, we conclude about the different materials are exhibit different properties for light, which allows the total light through it, it is called transparent. Which allows the light, which is not allows the light through it, it is called opaque. Which allows the light partially, okay, it is called transparent. Okay na? Light ఏదైనా టోటల్ గా మనకి ఒక బాడీ నుంచి ట్రావెల్ చేసింది అనుకోండి, దాన్ని ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ మీడియా అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ కేస్ లైట్ నాట్ టోటల్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ అలో ద లైట్, నథింగ్ బట్ లైట్ దాని నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోవట్లేదు, అలో చేయట్లేదు లైట్ ని, అట్లాంటి బాడీస్ ఏమంటారు? అపెక్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఇన్ కేస్ పార్షియల్ అంటే కొంత అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ దాని నుంచి ట్రావెల్స్ అవుతుంది, కొంత అమౌంట్ ట్రావెల్స్ కావట్లేదు. ఓకేనా? ఎస్, అంటే టోటల్ కనబడట్లేదు బాడీ మనకి. ఓకేనా? పార్షియల్ గా కనబడుతుంది, దాన్ని పార్షియల్ ట్రాన్స్పరెంట్ మీడియా ఆర్ ట్రాన్సియంట్ మీడియా అనొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఐ హోప్ యు అండర్స్టూడ్. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ we are going with another topic of our lesson that is a very 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 important to you, that is about other properties of light. Before going to other properties of light, already I am given density, meaning about the density you will get later. Okay, the density is nothing but number of particles for the volume. Okay, clear or not all of you? Number of particles for the volume. Transparency is nothing but which allows the light through it. That property of material is called transparency. That material is called transparent material, which allows the light through it. It is called transparent material, and that property of allow the light is called transparency. Yeah, all the students come to the page number 46. In that one, table 4 is there. Table 4 is there. One check about the table 4. There is a given objects. That given objects, different objects are given. It is a transparent or opaque. They ask for us. It is a transparent or opaque. It is a transparent or opaque. Transparent or opaque. Okay, now given like this table, you fill the table also. Plastic, already we have concluded now. Plastic, different type of plastics are there now. Yes, there is a plastic is sometimes works as a what actually? Yes, opaque nature only. Opaque nature only. Polythene is works as a transient. Okay, now glass jar. When you take a glass jar is a works as a what? Throw the glass jar, everything is appear for us or not? Okay, when you go to there is a what? Some what? Sweet shops and everywhere they arrange the what? Glass. They arrange all the things inside of the glass only. That's why it is a what? Transparent only. Next, steel plate. When you take a steel plate, in front of you, you take your steel plate. It is appear, your face is appear to others? No, it is not appear. Why? Because the steel is not allows the light through it. That's why it is a what? The third one is a transparent only. Mirror. Tell me about mirror. Already I am given yesterday this explanation. The first front layer of the mirror or front side of the mirror, the work as a transparent. Back side of the mirror is the works as a opaque. Clear or not all of you? In the mirror there is the two sides are there. Okay, clear or not all of you? Actually it is a lens. Whatever before that it is a called not mirror, na? It is not called mirror. It is a lens. Okay, na? Throw it, it will be appear. Okay, clear? Suppose I am not taken. There is a mirror is nothing but like this it is. It is called a mirror. Okay, clear or not all of you? It is called a mirror. In front of mirror, now the chalk piece is appear or not? It is in this. Yeah, it is appear now. Chalk piece is appear inside it. Why? Because once check it out, our class window is appear in this particular glass. Suppose I am removed it, it is appear, not appear now. Okay, my hand is only appear. When I am taken here like this, screen is appear, our mobile screen is appear. Clear? It is a mobile screen is appear. It now work as a mirror. Like that, there is a front side of that is a what? It is a work as a transparent. Back side is a works as a opaque. Okay, na? As now there is a what? Wooden door. When you take a wooden things in front of us, it will be appear. What of the back of the wooden body is it is appear to you? Not appear it is. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as then when you consider polythene bag is a what actually? Polythene bag is transparent or transient. Yes, may it is a transient sometime. Okay, throw the plastic somewhat it is appear. Okay, now in case sometimes it is work as opaque also. Whatever the bags they are given, okay, now for the cloth shop and all these things. Okay, it is not appear. Only one thing now. In case whatever the bodies are there behind the one body, it is appear to us. That is called transparent. Why? Because our light is allowed through it and it is appear for us. Otherwise, the back of that body it is not appear for us. Behind that body is not appear. In case it is a front like this, it is there. It is not appear. Board is not appear now for you now. Okay, that's why it is called what? It is called opaque like this. And here paper is a works as a what? Opaque nature only. Okay, in case you are added somewhat oil to it, it is works as a transient nature. In this way, how to conclude about the properties of light of the materials. Okay, now yes, based on the light allows, there is a what? It is appear. And there is a based on the light. There is a what? It is appear, not appear, and as well as partial appear. Based on these three properties, we classified the materials into three types. One is the transient, another one is opaque, another one is the transparent. Transparent is nothing but allows the light. Opaque is nothing but not allow the light. Transient is nothing but it is allows the partially. The light is allows the partially through it. Okay, that is only about our three properties of materials based on the light propagation. Okay. Next concept is the states of material. What is the next concept? State of material. States Although students, we have completed the 47 pages, whatever the experiments are there. Okay, you take a torch and as well as it's take without your hand, with your hand. Okay, like this it will be there. Once read that all the lesson. Okay, now yes, the torch you take here like this, and directly you take like this, otherwise you take a palm in front of it. The light is not appear when you take a palm like this. Why? Because the palm is a work as a packed nature. Okay, like this it will be there now. Yes, once you read that all the yes experiments, now there is a come to states of materials. Yes, you know very well, already I am discussed with you. Yes, where does rain come from? Okay, now in that lesson we already discussed it. There is about states of materials. How many states of materials are there? You know very well. Once you take a water in a one bowl, okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes. Otherwise, you take ice first. Ice from fridge. You take ice from fridge. Yes, it looks like in a hard. Okay, or not? Yes, it looks like a hard. You take ice from the fridge and take it into the glass. Okay, now yes. Afterwards, it will be taken to one bowl. You heat it. Yes, it will be convert ice into what? Water. It's a convert ice into water. First you take ice. There is ice getting in the form of like cubes or not? Ice cubes in the form of ice cubes. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Now there is a word heat it, and it is a convert into what? It is a convert into water or not? It is a convert into water. It is a convert like this into water. Okay, clear or not, all of you? And as well as now, when we heat it, automatically there is a water. After some time, there will be heated here. The water is heated. Like that, smoke may get for us. Okay, like that, smoke may come for us. It is a called what? Vapor. It is a called what? Vapor. Okay, when we heat that ice, it's a convert into water, then water is heated, that will be converted into vapor. Once you take it out, the level of water compared with this particular situation, the water level is a decreases or not? Yeah, water level is a decreases. Where it will be gone? It will be gone in the form of gaseous nature. Okay, still we increase the heat, the heat of water. We increase the still it is. Okay, the total water may decreases in our bowl. Where it will be moves? In the form of a gas it will be moves. What you understood from this? Okay, the same ice is a converted to water and as well as the vapor. Means what? The materials are available in which states? How many states? 3 states. Materials are available in how many states, Nana? 3 states. One is the what? Solid. It is a ice is in a which form? Ice is in a form of a solid. Okay, clear or not, all of you? Yes, when it is a water, that is a form as it is in the what is the state of it? It is a called liquid. Clear or not, all of you? The vapor, what is its state? It's a called gaseous state. It is a called gaseous state. Clear or not, all of you? Yes, the material is available in how many states? The materials are available in 3 states. One is the solid, another one is the liquid, another one is the gas. I hope you understood. When we are heat the material, that is a convert from solid to the liquid to the gas. When we cool the material, it is a convert from the gas to the liquid to the solid. Already we are discussed in our which one? In our rain. Where does it is come from? Okay, clear or not, all the students? Yes, the same in the thing, that is only we have to go to discuss in this one only. Okay, now there is a what? Depending on the solid nature, yes, it is a contain somewhat properties. Okay, now, yes, when you take liquid, it is a contain another property. When you take gases, it is a contain another property. Based on occupied places. Okay, now, based on its shape. Suppose you take there is a solids, it's a container of particular shape or not? Yeah, it is a container of particular shape. When you take ice cubes, depending on that ice tray, the shape will be getting maybe in the top of the ice cube. It is made compulsory. It is in either rectangle or in a square. The same thing. It is again containing somewhat a glass in the form of water. Yes, it will be contained in the form of water. Yes, that is get the what? Same shape only. Clear or not, all of you? Suppose you take water. Okay, suppose you take water in this particular glass. In this particular glass, it is getting the what? The same shape of this glass. Clear or not, all of you? Like this shape will be get for us. The same thing I am consider in this particular glass. The shape is like this only. Okay, clear? Now like this shape will be there. When I am taken in this, it is like this shape will be get for us. But not like the salad now. Suppose you take a chalk pieces. Like these chalk pieces you have to take. Okay, you take like these chalk pieces. This changes the shape. Suppose it is in this glass, the same shape will be there. Suppose it is in my hand, the same shape will be there. Suppose it is in this particular glass also, the same shape will be there. Clear or not, all of you? The same shape will be there here. Okay, clear? There is a not changes its a shape. Like the solids are not changes their shapes, but liquids and gases are changes their shapes. How they changes shapes? What is the reason for it? We have to go to tomorrow. We have to go to discuss tomorrow. What to conclude from today? Today we are taken about the what is the properties of materials based on the light. Okay, now they contain three properties: transparent, opaque, and as well as the last one is what? Transient. Okay, now and as well as our materials are available in the three states. What is that states? Then is the solid, another one is the liquid, another one is the gases. How we conclude it is, suppose you take a water, the water is taken in the form of ice, it looks like in a solid nature. When we heat that ice, that is a convert into water, that is a called liquid, that is a called liquid nature. Once come to here, yes, there is a more heat that water, the water level in that our bowl may decreases. Why it is a decreases? Where it will be goes? In the form of a gas may it is evolved into the environment. Okay, in this way there is the gases are okay, yes, are there, and as well as the liquids are there, and as well as the solids are there. In opposite format, you take a vapor. What is that? When you take evaporated, okay, now already you know very well. Yes, there is a when the sunlight is a fall on our water sources, it is a heated and it is vaporized. It's a convert as a water vapor. When we are cooled water vapor, when we cool that water vapor, okay, automatically it's a convert into what? Ice. It is a convert into what? Ice. Okay, now otherwise water droplet, that is only called condensation. Okay, this is only about what actually? Yeah, this is only about what a solid, liquid, and as well as the gases. Yeah, 9th class students, you have the class at 2 o'clock. I hope I don't know, but once check it out. Okay, and now there is a what here? Have it actually. There is a what we conclude here. There is it is only about states of different materials. Yes. Anyone students? There is a one student asked me about the transient and transient and as well as the transparent. What is the difference between transient and transparent? That is only. Yeah, there is a maybe transparent and a transient. The difference is transparent is nothing but which allows the light through it, it is a called transparent. Which is not allows the light through it, it is a called okay now. Yes, opaque. Transient nothing but. Transparent is nothing but allows the light. Transient is nothing but partially allows the light. Example for the transparent: air and pure water. Otherwise the glass. Okay now. And transient is nothing but there is a plastic cover. Okay, now bottle with water. Okay, like that dough. Okay, these all are transparent, transient nature. Okay, thank you, students. And tomorrow we'll go with one somewhat another experiments. Okay, now yes, and as well as yes, how we differ the solids, liquids, and gases. Bye. Take care.